Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I hope everybody's doing well. This is your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair. I want to let you guys know that having a mentor is very, very valuable. It has helped me. It has propelled my career, my business. Personally, it has helped me to be more confident in what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. And also, it just gives me the proximity to other people that I might not otherwise have had access to. Case in point, I talked to my mentor on Sunday after I did a video about the connectors that I use the heat gun on. If you want to watch that, I will link it in the description or put it up above so that you guys can watch that video. But anyway, Miss Ward talked to me about it, and then she pinged me in on the other line with one of her associates that helps her out a lot, Gio. And, you know, that just brings me into a whole new world that I wouldn't have had access to unless I was her student. And that's what I mean about being trained and coached and having a mentor that is really out here in the field, really doing the work and really putting boots on the ground. She's always pouring off into me, blessing me with just game, even in our general conversations. There are gems all in them. And it helps me be a better tech, better business person. And it helps relieve a lot of the stress and roadblocks and bumps, hurdles that I would go through just doing this by myself. So I am so appreciative for the game and all of the understanding she has with me, because sometimes I can tell, you know, Miss Ward be moving fast, you know, just having that understanding of knowing that I am not as at her same level, but also helping me to get up to her level. Man, I am very, very appreciative to Miss Ward for the relationship that we have. And anytime I get any information, I feel it is my duty to make sure that I pass it along so that it can help her or some of her other coaching students that she might have. Let's see.